It is the long-awaited drinking vinegar video. Okay, this is crazy. It is Boca Chica on the weekend, and there are a million boats here, and they're all playing music really loud. But I have to do my drinking vinegar for a few reasons. One is this one's ready to go. It's the turmeric black pepper I'm so excited about. I need to make more because I keep sharing it with people, and my neighbor Linda wants to know how. So I'm making the video on drinking vinegar. So here we go. Here we go. I'm going to take these frozen berries and hopefully get them into the jars. Once you've got your fruit in, or your black pepper, or your basil, whatever you're putting in there, there will be lots of recipes at the bottom of this video in the description. You just fill it up the rest of the way with apple cider vinegar. And then you shake it for a week, every day. Yum. So after your week of shaking your drinking vinegar with the fruit and the vinegar in it, it's the next step. I am going to try pouring this through a cheesecloth into a bowl. It's such a pretty color. Gorgeous. Getting everywhere. Of course, if you use the strainer, you can mash it through too. So however you want to strain out the fruit works great. Squeeze out that fruit. Ooh. And if a little fruit gets in it, it's not the end of the world. So it ends up in your drink. We are still in Miami. It is taking forever to get on our voyage. Gosh, it's amazing how small this fruit is getting. Most of it is juice. First thing I have to do, this one I've been shaking. It's black pepper and turmeric. I've been shaking it for at least a week. So I've got to just get all the black peppercorns out of here. You know, the turmeric is gonna pretty much just be in there, and there will be a little sediment. I'm not worried about it. Now it goes back in the jar. And usually there's room for 1.25 cups to 1.5 cups of sugar. I'll go ahead and measure. Usually you get to where you can just fill it back up with sugar, and that's right. Sometimes your vinegar's a little sweeter than others. Sometimes it's a little more sour. I personally, I'm not a big sweet person, but I really like my vinegar a little sweet. It's better than sour. Okay, this is almost a cup. Okay, let's see if this 1/2 cup will fit in there. I think it will. There we go. Perfect. I could have just filled it with a little bit of room to shake. Now it's got the sugar in. I'm going to shake it for a week. But you know what? You don't have to wait a week. If you shake it a lot, it becomes a syrup pretty quick. You can have it in a few days. This is my neighbor Linda, who wants the vinegar recipe. If I don't keep making it, I run out. So real quick, I just want to show you how to drink your drinking vinegar. This is the mixed berry shrub that we made the other day.
I'm going to be the taste tester.
Now we're going to put about that much. That's what I put in. And then I just made some sparkling water. Of course you can use sparkling water that you buy at the store.
You can use as plain sparkling waters. You can pretty much use any flavor because you won't be able to taste the flavor.
Hold on. I'm going to put ice in it too.
Oh, okay.
It really gets a big frothy head on it when you put the fresh sparkling water. So they say it's about a 1-to-5 ratio, but I like it stronger. So I put probably closer to 1-to-4. All right, let me go get some ice.
I'm just gonna taste it now. Wow, that is strong.
Okay, hold
That
on.
is really strong.
We're supposed to taste it yet. All right. Fill it to the top with ice so it stays nice and refreshing. Ooh.
Delicious.
You like it? All right, let me taste it.
I want it.
Let me taste it.
Delicious.
Perfect.
They're so good.
Cheers.